Welcome to this Readdy tutorial, where you'll learn how to create a fully functional portfolio or event landing page using just your words. Readdy transforms your ideas into stunning websites through natural conversation. No more fiddling with templates or fighting with code. Just describe what you want, and Readdy brings it to life. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process, demonstrate key features, and show you real examples along the way, from image editing and animations to publishing and code export. Step 1. Describe your project. The first step is as simple as describing what you want. Let's start with 2 examples. Portfolio. Example. We type. Create a clean, modern portfolio for a UX designer. Include a hero section with a short bio, recent projects, and a contact button. Within seconds, Readdy generates a sleek layout, hero header with your name and title, project thumbnails below, and a sticky contact button, all styled to match your request. Event page example. We type. Design a bold event landing page for a tech startup launch. Add a hero section with countdown timer, registration form, and schedule section. Readdy instantly understands the context. It knows what an event page typically needs and builds it accordingly. You'll get a visual hierarchy that grabs attention with smart structure and pacing. This is where Readdy shines. It's not just filling in blanks, it's interpreting your vision. Step 2. Edit images point to point. Once your layout is generated, it's time to fine-tune. Let's say your portfolio's hero image is a generic workspace, but you want something that reflects your personality more. You just click on the image and type. Replace with a photo of a designer sketching on a tablet in a bright, minimal studio. Boom! Readdy updates the image in context. The layout stays intact, and you now have something that feels uniquely you. Want to tweak image tone or mood? Try. Make this background image more vibrant with a warmer tone. Readdy updates the image properties. No Photoshop needed. This works anywhere on the page. Headers, galleries, icons, click, describe, done. Step 3. Add subpages with Continue to Generate. Now let's build out the site with additional pages. Click Continue to Generate. Readdy generates a new page style to match the main site, with section headings, image placeholders, and editable text areas. Event RSVP page. Create a separate RSVP page with attendee form, event location map, and FAQ section. No need to duplicate or manually link. It auto-integrates into your navigation. This means your whole site grows while keeping visual consistency. Step 4. Enhance with visual effects. Let's take it up a notch with animation and interactivity, especially great for first impressions. For the portfolio, we say, add subtle scroll-based animations to text and fade-in effect for project cards. Now, as you scroll, your content enters smoothly, giving a polished, modern feel without being overwhelming. For the event page, try. Set a background video of a city skyline in the hero section. Add a countdown timer animation. Readdy adds looping background video and a dynamic countdown component, bringing urgency and excitement to your landing page. These effects are responsive and performance-friendly, and you can customize transitions, delay timing, and more through conversational prompts. Step 5. Collect info with forms. Want to gather visitor info or RSVPs? Readdy's form builder is ready to go. For the portfolio, let's add a contact form at the bottom. Type, add a contact form asking for name, email, and message. Readdy instantly generates a styled form with proper field labels, spacing, and error validation, all integrated into the page. For the event page, we might say, create an RSVP form with fields for name, company, email, and attendance confirmation. The form is generated, functional, and ready to collect responses. You can even connect it to your email list or CRM later. This takes minutes compared to hours with other platforms. Step 6. Publish or export now. It's time to launch. With Readdy, you have 2 main options. Option 1. Instant publish. Click Publish. Choose a domain, either a free one or your custom domain, and go live instantly. Option 2. Export everything. Need to customize further or hand off to a developer? Export clean, production-ready HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Or download a complete Figma file to tweak visuals. This flexibility is ideal for solo creators, agencies, or teams. You're not locked into a platform. You're in control. Let's recap. With Readdy, you can create a fully functional website, whether it's a designer portfolio or a high-converting event landing page, using just natural language. You saw how easy it is to generate smart layouts instantly, edit images point to point, build entire site structures with subpages, add interactive hero effects, create forms for contact or registration, and finally, publish or export with total flexibility. Readdy isn't just another site builder. It's a creative partner that understands your goals, builds what you need, and gets out of your way. So if you're ready to ditch the templates and truly design on your terms, head to readdy.ai and try it out today. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more deep dive tutorials like this.